Hi there, Martin here from Giles Beginner Guitar, and here's another great tune to learn. Stand by me. You can start with an A chord. 5 strings, open A, first finger on D2, second finger on G2, third finger on B2, 5 strings. When the night has come. The second chord is an F sharp minor. This is the only bar chord. Now you can get round this by playing, you can either play the root note, which is up here on E2, or you can play a power chord if you're a beginner. It depends what level you are on this. You can have a go at it though. Now third finger or pinky on A4. Those two together. Be careful here not to play the string underneath. There you get this horrible sound. Could play 3 fingers here. Pinky goes on to D4. Sounds a bit funny. Okay, so it's a power chord. Or, F sharp minor power chord. You can play these 3 down here, this little baby version. You've got to be really careful if you're playing that. So it's right underneath the A. So you've just got 3 strings here. So that would be the A. So down to the F sharp minor. I'll come on to the strum patterns about this. So you can do 1 G, 1 strum, 2, B2, and E2. 3 strings. That'll get you by. When the night has come and the land is dark. Okay, the next chord will be D. Now with the D you put your first finger, sorry, you've got an open D here, string 4. Then you put your first finger on G2. See that chord? Yep. You put your second finger onto E2, your third finger reaches over here onto B3, 4 strings. Now if you're struggling with that 3 finger D, you can for now use this 2 finger D, which is G2, don't forget open D, string 4, G2, second finger on B3. Technically it's a D sus2, a suspended chord. It's okay, it sounds alright. We'll get you by. Or you can use your third finger on that B3, and then later on your second finger will drop into place. Hopefully, if you practice enough, of course. So that's D. Now you're only on that for 1 bar, so let's go over what we've got so far. So A, when the night has come and the land is dark, and the, going to that D, moon. Okay, the next chord would be an E in that sequence. Now I just went for that single note there for the F sharp minor. Of course you can do the whole bar, which would sound like when the night has come and the moon and the next chord is E. So for an E, you've got 6 strings. So your first finger goes on to string 3, which is G1. Your second finger goes up there in the middle of the fret, to A2, and your third finger underneath D2. 6 strings. Open E at the top, open E at the bottom. And there's your E. So let's recap. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light, we're back to A. It's actually 5 chords because we go back to A and it starts all over again. So it's 2 bars of A, 2 bars of F sharp, 1 bar of D, 1 bar of E, back to 2 bars of A, and you start singing all over again. The chorus is exactly the same. So they are the chords. Now the pattern, strum patterns. You can do, as I said, 1 strum. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or for that F sharp, be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just one bar on D. And E, just one bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should you want to try a pattern which is down, down, up, down, up. Open it there. So it should be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so put that into the song you get. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. Okay, you could expand on that down, down, up. Just be careful there with that down, down, up. You know, allow enough space. So with the A, you get down, down, up. Actually say it to help you whilst you're practicing it. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, you get the idea there. If you find it really difficult, of course there is the down, down, 3 down strums as an alternative, but it's better to have a go at that down, down, up. It is a bit tricky with the up. In my experience as a teacher, you'll find you're tripping up almost to, you know, in a way, a manner of speaking, with your pick as you come back up. Keep going with it. You know, maybe just do it lightly or use a lighter pick. Just be gentle and you can get that upstroke. And just pause there so you can get that down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, now there is an instrument, some people call it the fish, which is that instrument that's or wero as it's called. Now that comes in on the count of 2. Some people, when they're strumming, they accent that with a muted strum. Now that's when you're up to speed and you're doing the full down, down, up. You might be able to do it without it. It's quite difficult. Once you're doing down, down, up, down, up, you can kind of copy the sound of that wero. So you would, and it works better on bar chords. So if you don't mind me going to a bar chord just to demo. So I'm using my bar chord on fret 5, which would be, there we go. A bit more, but it does come in on the count of 2 if you listen to the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you get the idea. Start thinking about it, start making mistakes. So that's the wero, which is quite pronounced. When the night has come, and the moon is the only. Of course, don't forget you can actually put in the simpler F sharp minor substitute. A to an F sharp. Remember, you can use that F sharp. Remember, you can see that F sharp. You can use that F sharp. Or you can use this one. Or of course you could use the bar when you're on the A. You can lean over, remember? You can see that, can't you? Which is a bar on the A. That would be the A. And there we have the 3rd finger. Okay, so hopefully that's helped you with the strum pattern to understand what's going on there. Okay, let's move on. Next part is the The extra things that you can do, there is a bass line, of course, in the song, a fantastic bass line. And you can, if you've got two guitars, one can do the bass line, one can do the guitar, or the bass player, of course, he does that. But if you just want to know it yourself, it's a great second guitar line, and it is this. It starts on the open E, goes to a 4 on the E, then up to 5, plays that twice. Now that whole thing is played twice over the A, so you get this 0, 4, 5, 0, 4, 5, 5. Again, listen to the song and you'll hear the accent that is on that bass line, and you can copy that. Then it drops down. We have a 5, 4, 2, 2. Use whichever fingers you want. There you go. 5, 4, 2, 2. Then it goes 0, 2, 2, 2. All together. Then over the D chord we have a 2, 0. Now we go to the A string, 5, 5. And then over the E chord we have 5 again on the A, down to 4 on the D, over to 7 on the A twice. Those last two. Okay, and there we have it. A little extra bit at the end that you can use. Hope that's been of some use to you. And thanks for watching. Happy strumming. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by